In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your track bar, which is this right here. Stabilizes the front differential, so let's get started. Use a 24mm socket, remove this nut. Put it back a few threads to hold the track bar after you hammer it to take it off so it doesn't fall down. And now take a hammer right here, and it should pop the track bar right off of the ball joint. There we go. Finish removing the nut. Pull this down and off. Follow the track bar to the other end and you'll see a 30mm nut and a 30mm bolt. Loosen this up. Alright, unfortunately all I have to hold this is an adjustable wrench, which I don't like, but that's all I have. Okay, now you can take out this bolt, and once you do, you might need a pry bar. There it is. That's heavy. There's the track bar. Let's get the new track bar in, line it up. Once you have it lined up, get a rubber mallet. We got the bolt hole, I think, lined up pretty much. There we go. Now on this end, grab the track bar. Let's move the ball joint this way. And, oops, moved it too far. Okay. Put this on. All right, make sure that's nicely seated. It is. Tighten this nut up. Let's torque it down. The torque for this nut is 184 foot-pounds. Okay, and now we have to line up the cotter pin slot. Ooh, actually that lines up perfectly. So if yours doesn't, you want to keep tightening, unfortunately. Never loosen a castle nut to get the slot to line up, but ours lines up perfectly, so that is great. Good news. Let's put the cotter pin in. Bend it over to lock it in. Now because I'm on a lift, I have to raise the whole front differential up so I can put the bushing on the track bar at somewhat close to right height so that I can torque it properly. Otherwise you'll prematurely wear it, and that would not be a good thing because then you have to replace it again. So I'm only raising this side up because as I raise this side, it's going to push the track bar up, and therefore naturally the bushing will sit at a better angle. However, if you're on the ground, you just tighten it up while it's on the ground. Let's put the nut on here, and the torque for this bolt is 406 foot-pounds. So what I'm going to do is just use my air gun and go until it stops, because there's no way I can torque that to 406 foot-pounds. I don't even have a torque wrench that goes that high. I'd say that's tight. And now we can lower the whole front end.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.